right. We got Jackson Wang and BIBI and Jackson Wang. Feeling lucky. This is under 88 rising. Oof. Now I know y'all seen the Coachella performance and where everybody was going wild. BIBI and Jackson feeling lucky. Let's get into this. Let's go. Is there captions on? No, there's no captions on, but let's get into this. Let's get. Oh, before I start, I got Patreon. Be sure to check that out. Link in the description. All right. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, we are already. Oh, damn. Oh, something the way you kiss it. Wait up, let me see. Shit, I'm all ears right now. What the hell? The way you kiss it. What? Oh, they are way too close. Hold up. Not that it don't matter, but at the same time, I'm like, oh what? Ooh. I'm sorry for not even talking, bro. Like, am I interrupting something? Like, I feel like I shouldn't even be in the room with y'all, like, right now. Like, this feels like very intimate right now. Like, I feel like I should be like leaving. Like, I'll see you guys later. I'll get my keys. Just, I'll get an Uber. I hope y'all had a breath mint or something, because it was reenacting that is singing to each other. Like, I don't even know if you guys were actually singing. I'm pretty sure it's be like, I think about you, I think about you, like that type of shit. I bet you were doing that, and I bet that all that. I'm just imagining, like, if I was in that position. You know what? I'm pretty sure y'all got good breath. I don't know. Why am I tripping? I don't know why I'm tripping. Drums in this is fire too, bro. I'm so sorry. The production in this is nice too. I'm just so caught up in this whole. Damn, this felt like it was 2 hours and I was just watching. I felt like I should have just left, to be honest. Like, that was like y'all's time and not mine. Like, I don't know. It's like I was invited, but like at the same time something's happening and I see it. I'm like, what am I doing here? That's what I felt like. The song sounded nice, but oh my god. Put a comment down below what you guys think of BIBI and Jackson Wang's Feeling Lucky. Tell me in the comments if you were at Coachella and got to see it live, or got to see the live stream. I think I missed it. So was it just like this actually, chat? Like, chat, I keep on saying it like it's on Twitch. Guys, follow me on Twitch as well. But was it like this? Like, I'm so curious. Like, this was a lot. Like, it's so intimate. I was like, girl, what am I doing here? All right, y'all. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE from JREAMERS. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right. Patreon, link in the description. Become a free member. Alright, y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.